Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Those who are seeing this video, is there anyone who is in real estate business or interested in investing in real estate? By the way, for your kind information, the real estate market prospects are huge. Today, it is estimated that real estate is a $217 trillion global industry, accounting for more than half of the existing residential properties with a greater market projection for the future. The introduction of smart contracts brought about a wide range of possibilities in the real estate sector. Blockchain technology is already playing a prominent role in property management, improved record tracing, and general data management. A lot of blockchain industries are seizing this initiative to tap into this global market. And Bridgecoin is one of such projects. Bridgecoin is a global real estate investment project headed by Harold Kanzia and a bunch of other members who have varying levels of numerous experience in blockchain, real estate, and finance sector. The company is poised to combine blockchain-based cryptocurrency technology with the real estate investment. Bridgecoin offers amazing investment opportunities to real estate investors looking to partner with the project. Investors are given the opportunity to make as little as 20% down payment in the purchase of any property under Bridgecoin real estate resort market with a well affordable interest rate. Bridgecoin invention of blockchain technology and cryptocurrency allowed people to eliminate the need for a central authority or a trusted third party in order to make transactions and to transfer assets. Being completely decentralized, secured by cryptography, transparent, and global cryptocurrencies are now shaping the future of the business world. Bridgecoin goal is to combine the blockchain-based cryptocurrency technology with the real estate investment. For this reason, they created a new cryptocurrency, Bridgecoin, which is based on the Ethereum platform, a platform that runs smart contracts and eliminates fraud, downtime, and censorship. Bridgecoin mission is to develop individual solutions and integrated concept for their customers and to give the maximum value to their customer investment. Bridgecoin aims to expand, manage, and improve the existing long-term real estate portfolio while mainly focusing on the US market as well as German and Turkish markets. As they believe in the technology, Bridgecoin are trying to develop integrated approaches between the real estate business and the technology and to push the field towards the future. The most prominent feature of Bridgecoin, unlike most of other cryptocurrency, is that it is tied to physical assets, namely real estate assets. It will become a medium of exchange in project done by Bridge the Mar, which has more than 15 years of experience in the real estate and construction fields. Moreover, Bridgecoin holders will be able to get monthly interest income payments in Ethereum. Last but not the least, coin holders will have right to the ownership of the mortgage papers. All in all, Bridgecoin is building a next generation investment and business model to meet the criteria of the cyber physical world, a world in which automation and data exchange are highly valuable. According to data from CoinGecko, Bridge is ranked among the top 95 cryptocurrency by market capitalization. The project continues to gain tremendous exposure while providing a dividend return for investors. In the light of this, Bridgecoin has positioned itself as a market leader in pioneering the next generation investment and business model. In achieving this object, token holders are entitled to monthly interest payment in Bridge token. If you have any further question, please check their website. You may also participate on their Telegram channel. It is their official Telegram channel. Please join this channel if you are interested. Thank you everyone for staying with me still to the end of the video.